Have you ever checked your tracking number again and again, only to see no update available? You're not alone. Millions of people face this issue every year when the United States Postal Service doesn't scan a package on time. In this video, you'll learn why USPS packages stop scanning, what's really happening behind the scenes, and the exact steps you can take to fix it fast. If your USPS package isn't scanned, it usually does not mean the package is lost. It simply means the barcode wasn't scanned at a checkpoint, the system hasn't updated yet, or the scan was delayed due to volume or logistics. USPS processes millions of packages daily, and tracking updates often happen in batches, not instantly. Each package has a barcode scanned at major points like acceptance, distribution centers, out for delivery. But problems happen when barcodes are damaged or poorly printed, scanners malfunction, internet or system outages delay uploads, workers skip scans during peak rush, so the package keeps moving. You just can't see it yet. Here are the most common causes: high package volume, holidays, sales, weekends. Human error, missed scans happen. Weather disruptions slowing facilities. Delayed data syncing from scanners. Misrouting to the wrong distribution center. Many packages suddenly update right before delivery. If your tracking hasn't updated, follow these steps in order. Double-check your tracking number. Make sure there are no typing errors. Wait at least 24-72 hours. USPS tracking delays are extremely common. Check USPS website or app. The app sometimes updates faster than third-party sites. Visit your local post office. Bring your tracking number. Clerks can see internal data you can't. Contact USPS customer support. Call 1-800-ASK-USPS and explain the issue clearly. Request a missing mail search. If there's no update after several days, this step often triggers action. You should escalate only if no scans for 7+ business days. USPS confirms no internal movement. Delivery deadline is far overdue. Even then, many packages are eventually delivered without issue. USPS is rolling out smarter scanners, AI-based barcode reading, better mobile devices for carriers. These upgrades aim to reduce missed scans and improve real-time tracking. So remember, no scan doesn't mean no delivery. Most USPS tracking issues are temporary and fixable. For more step-by-step guides, real-world fixes, and deep explanations on everyday problems, visit HUMANITYUAPD.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.